A Dog's Journey by W. Bruce Cameron is a sad, loving, and exciting realistic fiction story.
I would recommend this book. Oh, just keep going. W. Bruce Cameron has written A Dog's Purpose, The Dogs of Christmas, Emery's Gift, and 8 Simple Rules for Dating My Dog. The setting takes place in New York in a farmland.
The dog's struggles were mostly the same, which was to love and protect their owners.
The theme for this book is a dog's life and reincarnation.
The main character is Molly. She is brave and exciting while lovingly protecting CJ, her owner.
I'm going to read a passage from the novel. The love was still pouring off Hannah as I felt the tiny pinch between Dr. Deb's fingers. Almost instantly, the pain in my leg receded. A sense of peace filled me, a wonderful, warm, delicious wave of it, supporting my weight like the water in the pond. The touch of Hannah's hands gradually left me, and as I floated away in the water, I felt truly happy.
I enjoyed this book because I love dogs, and also because it was exciting and kept me to keep reading when usually I hate reading.
I would recommend this book to someone who likes dogs, sad and happy stories. This is a sequel, but you don't have to read the first to get the second.
A reader would like to go out and get this book because it could be for everyone, and it is such an amazing book.
There are 3 different dogs. 2 protect Clarity, 1 protects Ethan and Clarity. All of these are based off the rebirth of one dog's life.
That's it. Stop.